As far as Congress government is concerned, last 3 years, apart from blaming Narendra Modi's government, what else they have done in this state for last 3 years? There is zero development. There is no money for development. MLAs, Chief Minister had promised 25 crores for each MLAs, for the opposition party MLAs. Even that has not been resolved. Money has not been released. So Siddaramaiah and his cabinet colleagues, they are busy in blaming central government, Narendra Modi ji government. See, LPG crisis, even entire world is aware of the situation because of the ongoing crisis between America and Iran. This crisis has emerged. It is a well-known fact. In last couple of months, Narendra Modi ji, NDA government has tried their level best to control the prices. Now, since situation has gone out of control, not only India, every other country has taken this decision long back. So, I urge Chief Minister Siddaramaiah ji, rather than taking this opportunity and blaming the central government, as a Chief Minister, let him come to the assistance for the people, for the Karnataka people.
Union Minister